I am about to share with you 50 survival phrases that you need to learn to get by in any English-speaking country. So write them down somewhere on a piece of paper and take it with you. Hey, sorry to interrupt. I just wanted to let you know that I will be adding 10 more phrases to that list, so stick around till the end for that. How to greet someone. Hello, hello. Good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good evening, good evening. Good night, good night. How to say goodbye. See you later, see you later. See you tomorrow, see you tomorrow. I'll catch you later, I'll catch you later. Take it easy, take it easy. See you soon, see you soon. See ya, see ya. Take care, take care. Have a nice day, have a nice day. Have a good one, have a good one. How to introduce yourself. My name is your name. I am your name. I am from your country. I live in where you live. I am your age, years old. For example, my name is John. I am John. I am from England. I live in England. I am 10 years old. How to ask how someone is. How are you? How are you? How are you doing? How are you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How have you been? How have you been? How's it going? How's it going? How are things? How are things? What to say when you are grateful for something that someone has done. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch. Many thanks. Many thanks. What to say when someone says thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. No problem. No problem. No worries. No worries. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Anytime. Anytime. My pleasure. My pleasure. What to say when you don't understand what someone has said. I did not catch that. I did not catch that. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? What was that? What was that? Can you repeat what you just said? Can you repeat what you just said? Say that again. Say that again. Do you mind repeating that, please? Do you mind repeating that, please? Do you mind repeating what you just said? Do you mind repeating what you just said? I don't speak much English. Could you speak a little slower? I don't speak much English. Could you speak a little slower? Is there a restaurant around here? Is there a restaurant around here? Excuse me, where is the toilet? Excuse me, where is the toilet? I don't understand what you are saying. I don't understand what you are saying. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Excuse me, where is the bus station? Excuse me, where is the bus station? Excuse me, where is the train station? Excuse me, where is the train station? Excuse me, do you know how to get to the bus station from here? Excuse me, do you know how to get to the bus station from here? Can I have a Big Mac, please? Can I have a Big Mac, please? How much is it? How much is it? If you want to improve your English even faster and understand native speakers in movies, TV shows, podcasts, YouTube, to name a few, then you need to learn the slang words that they use daily. Click right here to learn 25 most common slang words in English. I'll see you there. Peace.